came, we ate, and we came back. So we were like, we need to eat somewhere. We couldn't eat in the restaurant, so we were like, where are we gonna eat? We could go back to Hiroshi's house, but then we were like, Remy's house is right here. So we used our big brains. But then Remy wasn't here, so we got to hang out with Zach and Sadie. Where's the weenie? There's the weenie. There's the weenie. There's the weenie. It's not going so well. Guys, we are on this dirt road. We've been on this dirt road for like 10 minutes. And these people have been going so slow the whole time. I think they knew I started filming because they started going fast as soon as I got my camera out. They have been going so slow. Like, oh my god.
I even yelled at the window. I opened the window and I yelled to go faster and they just went slower.
They were going like 5. Like, why?
We were going 10, like 2.
It's a little windy for the hat today. We got some photo ops. Almost fell in a hole. That's okay.
I'm a businessman.
Chloe's ready to bounce. Look at her, having the time of her life.
Didn't even go all the way up.
You know what, Tommy? You just have to accomplish it a little bit less.
Chloe wants to throw pumpkins at bottles. I don't know if there's some sort of like line to where you're supposed to throw from. So I guess it's just how far you think.
Further back. Further back.
Chloe said, nah. Are you gonna go? Want me to hold the tripod?
No, I got this.
You're not.
Oh, perfectly fine.
They gave us weapons. Chloe picked her sunflower. Look at it, cute.
You want this one?
Sure.
Fly.
There's a buzz on it that's scary.
Okay, then don't get it. He got
I don't know if I was supposed to cut it this short or supposed to cut it longer.
I don't know. Now we got 2 sunflowers. Here's a butterfly. He's just chilling. We got our sunflowers. Evan's getting a little picky with his.
sunflower.
Somebody's tired. So am I. What you doing? You eating your donuts?
No.